Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel and refund order on Goat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in goat.com. And once you hit enter, you'll be seeing this Goat homepage. Now what you need to do is log into your account. Simply click on this top right corner. Here you'll have your account login option. Tap on that, and once you have logged into your account, what you need to do is click on that account and you'll get this drop down option with wants, orders, offers, profile, preferences, support, and lookout. Simply select orders, and once you select orders, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now if you have ordered something, your orders will be displayed right here. Now in order to cancel it, all you gotta do is select the order that you want to cancel, and once you tap on it, you'll be seeing an option that says cancel order. Click on it. A confirmation mail will be sent to you on your email, something like this: your order has been cancelled. Now what you need to do is scroll down, and there you'll find an option that says refund. Simply tap on that and follow the instructions to get your refund back, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.